Hey, Steve! Welcome from Austin. Don't get up. I'm going to take you for a bike ride from my house to the Veloway, which is a 3.2 mile loop, I think, of just bikes and the occasional rollerblader. So, I'm going to see if this works. So, here we go. I will probably screw it up in some fashion. There's the drum set that is not mine, but a friend has left here, so I can bang on that and make all kinds of noise and entertain the neighbors walking by. Okay, 9:30 a.m. Let's go. I hope this works. Okay, here's the bike, and I will try to narrate as I go. Looks like I'm having battery issues, so hopefully I'll have enough juice to do this. It's a lovely October morning. I think it's the 7th, maybe? I don't know. Anyway, thought I'd get you up out of your bed and go for a little bike ride. Kind of look around a little bit, get some exercise. All right, so I'm gonna cut through some neighborhoods and go through a park over here, and then we're going to get on the Violet Crown Trail, which is a really nice trail that starts at Barton Springs and goes to the Veloway, and then supposedly going to go all the way to Buda, which is a town just south of Austin. I think 30 miles total, something like that when it's done. Yeah, really nice out. It's probably 76 degrees or something, but it's going to get hot again quickly. So I like to get out and do something like this before it gets too hot. So I'm gonna try to ride all the way to the Veloway and then probably have to switch batteries. I hope I have enough battery power. I think they're just getting old. Haven't used this camera in a while. And then I got one extra, so hopefully I can film down there on one battery and one coming back. So anyway, I'll get as much as I can. Nice little bit of a downhill here, so I can coast a little bit, because I don't get a lot of coasting on this. Usually a lot of other people out at this time. Doing the same thing, trying to beat the heat. One thing I like about my neighborhood is some really nice bike lanes. Friendly fella. So this is called Dick Nichols Park on the left. Little neighborhood park that I'm going to cut through. Got some nice trails. There's a trail right there I really like for biking or hiking. Okay, got across. All right, this is a little trail around the park. So nice. We're getting to the, I think, the best part of the year, temperature wise. Neighborhood pickleball matches going on. It's becoming very popular. I did that a few times before I decided to tear up my knees. I think my pickleball days are over. Yep. Roadblock. I love it when people stand cluelessly in the middle of the trail. Thank you. And everybody's always checking their phone. It amazes me how people can't just go for a walk without checking their phone. Like walking the whole time looking at their phone. Kind of defeats the purpose. Whoop. Coming on your left. Up. Or down the middle.
Come on.
Thank you. All right, now we're going to get on the Violet Crown Trail, which is really well kept. They've got this real fine pea gravel, really smooth. When they lay oil down on this when they first start working on them, and covered with the pea gravel, and then I think occasionally put more light oil down, and it keeps it from getting dusty. It keeps it smooth. Now we're going under Mopac. You probably remember that. So I'm going basically southeast from my house. I thought I pumped up my tires good, but it didn't feel like it. This is a nice little stretch. Up. On your left. Thank you. Don't hit the tree. Ah! Ah! It's just really well maintained. You can see kind of the oily part. You can smell it actually right there.